The all-new 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback has arrived, and it's not just a refresh, it's a revolution. Sleeker, sharper, and smarter than ever, this hatchback blends artistry and performance like no other in its class. But here's the thing. Mazda didn't just chase trends. They redefined what a modern compact car should feel like. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you might just rethink what a hatchback can be. Let's start with what you see first, the design. The 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback takes Mazda's KODO soul of motion philosophy to a new level. At the front, the fascia looks more futuristic and confident than ever. The classic Mazda grille has evolved into a sleek, minimalist piece with bold Mazda lettering across the center, a detail that screams premium. The 3-bar LED light signature now connects seamlessly across the front, giving it a unified, high-tech look reminiscent of a luxury EV. Move to the side, and the proportions are pure elegance. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from nose to tail, reflecting light with those signature Mazda curves that make the paint almost move under sunlight. In rhodium white, it looks clean and modern, a color that perfectly complements its black roof and dark alloy wheels. From this angle, the stance tells you everything. Low, athletic, and ready to pounce. Mazda says this generation hides something you won't notice at first glance, but makes a world of difference once you drive it. We'll get to that in a moment. At the rear, it's simplicity done right. The continuous LED light bar stretches across the entire hatch, connecting both tail lamps into one sleek beam. And right at the center, the glowing Mazda text replaces the old emblem. It's a clean, futuristic touch that makes this hatch stand out at night. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels closer to a luxury lounge than a compact car. The dashboard is minimalist yet warm, with a horizontal layout that emphasizes width. Soft-touch materials, refined stitching, and subtle ambient lighting along the dash and console give the cabin a modern yet cozy vibe. The center display integrates seamlessly with Mazda's new infotainment interface, faster, smoother, and more intuitive. The digital cluster offers just the right balance of clarity and driver focus, and the Bose premium audio system surrounds you with rich, balanced sound. Every element inside this cabin is designed to help you connect with the drive, without distraction. Now let's talk performance, where Mazda's engineering truly shines. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda 3 offers the latest Skyactiv X engine, now paired with a mild hybrid system. It delivers impressive efficiency while maintaining the naturally aspirated feel that Mazda drivers love. The result? A smoother, more responsive acceleration curve and reduced emissions. And if you opt for the AWD variant, you'll get even better traction and confidence in all weather conditions. Mazda's engineers also refined the suspension and steering response, making the car feel more planted than ever. It's light on its feet in the city, yet stable and precise on twisty roads. This car doesn't just move, it dances. And remember that curiosity trigger earlier? Here it is. Mazda has subtly re-engineered the G-Vectoring Control Plus system, making cornering even smoother and more natural. It's one of those features you don't see, but definitely feel. Safety-wise, it's loaded. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree camera, and Mazda's new driver attention alert that uses subtle camera monitoring to keep you safe on long drives. With all these refinements, the 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback isn't just another stylish compact, it's a statement. It blends emotional design, cutting-edge tech, and driving joy into one irresistible package. So, what do you think? Has Mazda just built the most beautiful hatchback of 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And remember, subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed the review. I'll see you in the next one. But until then, keep driving with passion.